If you are sensing jealousy in a relationship, then it does not mean that time has come to split up. Mild jealousy is present in almost every relationship. Jealousy exists in relationships like marital relationships, sibling relationships, etc. Mild jealousy is healthier in small quantities only. A relationship is based on true love, trust, understanding, and loyalty. These are some of the critical aspects of a relationship. Whereas some of the major negative feelings like miscommunication can lead to emotions like jealousy, discontent, and bitterness. Relationships are easier to make, but they are difficult to maintain. The main skills and talents lie in handling every up and down of a relationship. It requires struggle, patience, trust, and care. Relationships are like mirrors having a foundation of trust. Once broken and it's never the same. Jealousy can be about the susceptibilities of your partners. It can arise by triggering weak points of one another. It can be taken into account by being thoughtful and mindful of each other's insecurities. Discuss your weak points with each other so you may avoid offending your partner. At the beginning of a relationship, it is necessary to forbid yourself from fluting any negative emotion into your partner's mind. It is better to discuss good mutual things about yourselves. Sometimes jealousy can arise from low self-esteem and low self-confidence. When you are not confident about yourself, you eventually feel low. You start to compare yourself to your partner. You end up getting jealous of them. Instead of looking for your vulnerabilities, you start to become agitated and angry at your partner. Relationships need spaces and times as well so that they can remain intact. Time is a big healer, and it heals almost every situation of desperation and sorrow. Unhealthy jealousy can lead to many inappropriate actions like checking the phone of your partner, accusing partner of lying in every case, insulting your spouse. Always ask them about their whereabouts. You can avoid jealousy and a commitment by initiating the following steps in your life. The first and foremost step is to learn to respect your partner. Every specimen on this planet has its privacy and personal space. Try not to invade that. Respect each other's decisions. Respect each other's opinions. Don't try to implement or force things upon your partner. Let the atmosphere be friendly and free. Try to be understanding and responsible for your actions. Relationships are mutual and they work either way. If you are accepting one opinion of your partner, then it goes like that your partner has to accept your things as well. Honest talk is very necessary for a relationship. We should discuss our matters with partners so that there remains no misunderstanding between us. Be truthful about how you feel about your partner's certain actions. Don't hesitate and tell them the cause of your discomfort. You can also practice relationship journal writing. Venting your emotions over there will help you become more stable and respectable in your decisions. Sometimes jealousy can turn your healthy relations into toxic ones. Try asking yourself some important questions like if you are being too pushy towards your partner or you are demanding too much from him. Do a self-evaluation and write all the possibilities by which you can make your relationship even better. Sometimes we become too emotional to make rash decisions like splitting up if it is not working out. Especially females are more prone to make emotional decisions. 90% of cases of rash decisions prove to be ineffective. Try various exercises that can keep you from making rash decisions. Space for improvement is always there. We can give relationships a second chance. You can also try seeking couples therapy. There are many consultants out there working for your psychological health. They are more concerned about your mental health. They can help you find the root cause of an unstable relationship. You can just rely on such therapists to help you gain self-esteem and self-confidence.